down. Yes, and then up. Okay, and then put down. Okay, now you see here is not type, so you press and then you like this. Left. Yes, because here is more type. You mop the floor is more easy. Because here not type, you mop the floor.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Then if dirty, can I change the towel?
Yes, you can wash. If you want to change, you see here the button is here. I suggest you use the towel press like this. Okay. Now and then you see here this side is so dirty. You can change the other side.
Yeah. No, there.
Yes. Maybe here is dirty. You can like this. And then use the other side. Okay.
You need to steam first.
Yes, you see, have a steam go out, and then you can change level 1.
Okay.
Okay. Just 1, 2 is enough.
Okay.
The 170 temperature will kill the germs, and then remove like this. Okay. Clean the floor. Same. No need.
Yeah.
No need.
Yeah.
Just tap like this.
You see. Because sometimes they have been dirty.
Yeah. If you see dirty, maybe you use level 2.
Level 2. Okay.
And then no dirty, use level 1.
Back
Okay.
to 1.
You can see it's very fast. This is in the floor. Okay. 如果你有時貓籠入面可能貓貓嗰啲箭啊，
Wait for the change. This one.
啲蒸氣咧溶咗啲油之後，就由抽氣先抽走。
Like this. You can see. Like this is very fast to clean it, right? Use level 2. And like this. And then wipe. Don't use the window water. Yes, you can see it's very fast. And then the outside, maybe you can let this open, and then like this. The mirror is safe. Yes, you see. It's very good. Now, if you clean the window.
即刻變咗條白邊出嚟喎。
係啊，因為咧呢度會變黑好大嘅原因咧係同 because it's too hot, so can kill the germs. It's very strong. But no.
Then number 2. No need.
No need.
Just
the machine sense use the iron will presetting.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Automatically.
No too close because this is too hot. Maybe here is so hot. Okay. Now maybe we here. Maybe do this can do this.
點啊？冚住嚟整啊？
單都得㗎，冇所謂。Up to you。上下你起咗就冇所謂。You will have a smell.
It has smell.
Yeah, have a smell. 係啊，有啲噏味啊、毛味啊，咩都有啲喺入面。正常男仔張床都係咁，枕頭仲誇張啊。
油益味啊！
因為男士頭油分泌比較重。It's so hot, but not too wet. So 嗱，你可以 feel 下好正，即刻乾爽，睇熱啊，但係即刻乾爽曬。係啊，呢個燙手好勁啊！ Thank you. Maybe you use this. You can change a new bed sheet, and then in a new bed sheet do is
together.
yes.
Have a bed sheet together.
Yeah.
No need to remove.
No. Now you see, you have a light on. No.
No hot.
It's first time need wait to off. If you in the use, you don't 唔使理佢。
即係再着燈就唔使
唔
理啦。
使理佢，第一次要理嘅啫。
嗯。
OK，嗱，maybe the pillow。好勁啊！你會 feel 到佢。
嗯。
Yes，就係咁啦。
嗯。
嗱，姐姐要 see here，can choice but no need or use the maximum is okay。OK。
Yes。
嗱，OK。We can try the water first。嗱，你都試一試水先，你睇下佢入面大概係咩狀況。OK。嗱，你睇佢，哇！呢度佢都
其實已經通咗
嚇，算通咗
暑假，不過又積咗幾個月咯，慢啦，開始慢。
OK，嗱，we use level 3， but test and then， 哇，好勁喎 ，test。
唔得，
我睇下係咪有個窿喺度。嗱，哇，好勁啊！
嗰啲 U 型，哇，咩嚟㗎？嗰啲咩聲？
咪就係污糟嘢喺入面嘅聲咯。
好沖廁
嗱，你
咁。
睇，嗱，姐姐 ，but remember no long， 唔好長撳，應該點講
？Don't use it long。
long press 嗱
Long.
，1 2 3 and then 1 2 3
Enough.
1 2，
Not more. Just 1, 2, 3.
記得。
哎呀，
我唔好咁問，好臭啊。
1 2 3 stop。哇！
我哋好勁啊！
哇！
你睇下，
咩嚟㗎？咩嚟㗎？
咪就係啲污糟嘢咯。
啊！佢溶咗入邊啲污糟嘢。
係，可能嗰日早啲試通渠俾你睇，你就冇嘢㗎。
Yeah, it's
佢可能係泵咗啲嘢入去，跟住佢抽翻出嚟啊！
污糟嘢得兩個地方走嘅啫，一係翻嚟，一係走。
嗯。
OK， 嗱，我哋可以再試下水咯。
我上次咧塞渠咧，搞到好難搞，去唔到水直頭，搞唔得。
都仲係濕濕地。嗱，你睇到快咗啊？
有聲咯，
明顯係快咗㗎。
喺下邊有聲嘅。
嗱，咁啊，你呢度真係好勁啊！再撳嗰度。
呢條線好直線。
幫佢捉埋嚟添。哇，好勁喎！你呢個車。係啊，小心小心，差唔多啦。
佢可能第一浸都係用呢一邊
係啊，其實佢係分
出口嗰啲啊。
其實佢係分解緊入面啲油啊。
嗯。
係啊，你望到而家明顯係快過啱啱好多，因為啲嘢喺你嗰條渠側邊嗰啲咧，
日積月累嗰啲油。
即係當然同你條渠本身個設計都有關係啦，有水快慢。咁但係而家就係啊，起碼你望到佢，真係有漩渦咁轉緊走啊！而家係係啊，好快啊！你下面咩設計？佢有得做出嚟，
有聲呢下先至
有漩渦走啊！你望到
先至難得，平時冇聲，因為走得太慢。
咁啊，3000啦。